Welcome to our carbon credit tracking platform. This is the homepage where users can log into their accounts. I'm going to start by logging in as the admin. As the admin, I can create a new employer, view users, and show my profile. I'm going to create a new employer and send them an invite through email. Real quick. Next, we're going to view the employer's perspective.
All right, so now we're going to go ahead and uh, sign in as the employer. However, first we have to go ahead and check our email for that invitation. So here's the invitation. We're going to click accept invitation, and we're going to build our profile from here. We're going to name this test FAU employer, give this a password, and then hit continue. Now that we've created that account, if we go back into our app, we should be able to use those same credentials to log in. Now we are in the view for the employer. First off, we're going to look at the employee list. And if we go ahead and click on employees, we're going to see that we can't see anyone because we don't have any employees. That's all right. First, we're going to add in a new employee by sending them an invitation. So we're going to send an invitation to another one of our group mates to be able to become the employee. All right, so now I will pass it on to the employee's perspective.
All right, so I'm going to log in as the employee. So we have to accept the invite. And create the account. We're going to name this test FAU employee. And register the account. Now we can go ahead and sign in. Now that we're logged in, this is the home page. So now we're going to go to track commute. And here we're just going to put test data. So we're going to say test to and from. And we're going to select carpooling as the option. And we're going to start commute. You can see now that the application is tracking the location of the user. Now we're going to end the commute. And that's going to send the data to our employer. And now I'm going to hand it off to them.
All right, so now we're going to log back in as the employer. And first off, we're going to see in the user list, if we click on employees, our employee is now there. Our employee information is now ready for us to be able to see here with all the carbon credit information. And then now if we look at our credit summary, we have 0. That's all right, but you already saw how the credits were accumulated through based on the distance. So now we're going to go ahead and add some data into there so that you can see how that all that information is transferred into credits. So now we're going to be able to add some data here. Okay, so now if we go back, we'll see that it's updated and we have more credits here based on that. So now I'm going to pass it off to the bank.
Okay, now that I'm logged in as the bank, I can show the interface here. We can view our analytics and see all the carbon credits that were earned and the commute data that we also received, view our profile, see all the transactions, and look at the audit logs. I'm going to sign out and show the admin side so that we can see all of the updates that were done by both the employer and the employee. Now, when we look at the users, we're going to see all roles. The employee and the employee are all present. And when we click on here, the analytics, we're going to see the user analytics. And there we have it. Thank you for watching our video.